as you can see, the Rotimatic is here. It looks like a microwave though. It's pretty heavy. It's 50 pounds. There is an on and off button here. There are 4 options on the Rotimatic. There is the menu where you can select the atta type. Based on the atta, it will give the water and the other content. So I have put Ashirvad in it, so I've selected Ashirvad, but you can select any one of the Ashirvad, Pillsbury or Sujata. Once you select that, you can switch the thickness up and down. Depending on the thickness, the roti can be a little thick. We're keeping it at 1, but you can go as high as 5. So also the roast level is 1 to 4. You can put any one that you want. We're putting it at 1. There are 2 drops of oil that can go maximum. We've put it at 1 just to see. We are right now doing 2 rotis, but it can go a max of 20, but we've kept it at 2. Once you start playing it, the dough, the box in the dough, the water and the oil will start getting filled up, and it'll make the dough here for each roti. So let's just play it. So you say yes, start making the roti. It is a little noisy though, but this is the place where it actually needs the dough for the roti. As you can see, there is atta that's first coming in, and then there will be water and oil that gets mixed into the atta. It's now trying to knead the dough. Now the dough is almost formed. Once the dough is formed, it will shift it to the pan side for it to make the roti. As you can see, it's making a perfect dough out of it. Now the dough is ready. Come onto the pan here. Now it will flatten the roti. The noise that you hear is because the next roti is being made. Okay, so now the roti is flattened. As you can see, the roti is now puffed. And there comes the roti. It's a little puff just because there is air in it, so it looks like a paratha, but it's not. And that's how your food is ready. It's just like a normal roti with 3 layers. So it's the perfect kind of roti that I would